Morning! We're at the port and we're moving some cars. Then we're going to the auction. Another day, another fun day. I hope. Green light. Another 2 delivered to the port. So that makes 4 for a container. We stick this in the window. She's good to go. There she goes.
Yeah, what's cracking?
Just heading to auction, mate. I've got a few cars to look at today. I'm gonna try and find time, obviously do your car shortly. I got taxes that I've been doing, and I've been doing a lot of other clients' second leg of the journey, so you're still on the first leg. But I want to get your car squared away with the paint. All the applications and all that are in process. It's just a waiting game now. Just don't want you having a sour taste in your mouth if I didn't reply to you today and go do a live video. You know,
nah, it's all good.
You know, like it's just one of them things.
I understand you're busy as well.
But I also understand how you'd feel like if you spent a lot of money on a car and you think nothing's getting done. So, you know, I understand how I would feel. They buy a car, they want it straight away. Or they want me to keep doing their car, their parts, order parts, or do this or do that. It's like, no, we got your car. Now I need to do the second leg of everyone else's stage, and then I'll get to the second leg of these guys' stage. For the coil pack. That is what I reckon. What do you reckon, Jim? Do you want high tensile ones? The extra spark adds the torque. Adds a bit of torque, might just, you know. Changing the coil packs. It's got a misfire, and yeah, then I'm gonna get it sold. Add some power. Oh shit! He's looking at me like, why the fuck is it not turbo? Tashka. I know, mate. I know. Fucking come off, you bastard prick! Look at that. Not paid enough for that. Another day, not another dollar. Working hard, try and find some nice cars, and sure if I can find good ones. So we're gonna try. See what we come up with this week. Evo 6 in the most desirable colour, silver. Grade 4, and haven't looked at it yet, but I can already see that it's a repainted car. The colour's just too nice, even though it's done 69,000 kilometres. Yeah, let's take a look, I'll show you. These ones here are not factory. Why are you pointing at me? Pointing down there. We need to have a look. Here you go. These are not silver from factory. You see that they've just painted over them. Same again this side. And these are not falling off. So if this was original, these would be falling off right now. So someone's put also different material. This material should be the same as the bolster on the seat. But hey, I've got to point out, it's not a bad thing. Okay, it's actually quite nice. Because if they were stock, these would be horrible right now. So that is nice, and they're nicely done. It's a fairly easy job though. You know, credit card, spray glue. Just put it in there. Yeah, nice job. Nice to see it's already done. Seat, almost new. Not bad. Hard to find seats like that now. There you go. When you're getting close. 2017 M4 competition. Nice. They come with a really nice interior, really cool bolster on the seat, different to the standard models.
Find the light from the sun when I'm underwater. I'm gonna try to feel the heat in the cold and make it harder.
Shit, not a space. Ah! That doesn't work. Oh, that's not good. I need to move the whole seat back first. How to do that? There we go. Why doesn't it want to move? Super cool down there. Look at that, mate. It's not my favourite car, it's your favourite car, mate. Fucking hell. Looking is. Yeah, it's an RS. It's quite a collectible car. Yeah, we're trying to get a few deals, looking for stock, and a couple of cars for clients on Australia, Ireland. 31,000 kilometers, R-graded car. Apparently it's had a bit of a punch in the front. And you can notice it actually, but it's really not too bad. So instead of bumper and a fender, we see a little bit inconsistent lines right here. I would use a car key to show you, but not on a car like this. Just the gaps are a little bit different to this side. But really not a bad repair. Not a bad repair at all. We go. Money exchanged. There we go. That looks terrible. Start again, really. It's not right. Doesn't want to go in there. And it's different sizes. Like, fuck that off. There we go. There's a little bit of cash, a little bit of pocket money. It's Monday, we had to change the money today because you only get 2 days to pay, like I keep telling everybody. And there you go, had to run up to Tokyo, change the money, and yeah, gonna have to get it paid today before 3 PM. Maybe. Stuck in traffic. Never good.